Happy Thanksgiving, and MAGA is as miserable as you would expect. But before we get to the head of miserable MAGA, I do have a quick update that's kind of related to the holidays about Frank Giustino. Frank Giustino is, of course, the J6er who went to court, submitted documents saying refusal for a cause because there was a portion of the oaths that the judges signed that he did not approve of. He thought it was wrong. He thought it wasn't legal. Well, it turns out that, he's sentenced now. He's in jail. He's going to miss the holidays. But his mother got a tattoo of the portion of the oath her son said was wrong on those documents. So his mother is obviously still supporting this nonsense. So what this means is his mother, I guess, can look at this tattoo to get through the holidays. And then when her son gets out, because he's not learned a lesson, it sounds like she hasn't learned a lesson. If he ends up back in jail, she can just get another tattoo to look at instead of her son. It can become a whole family affair. Good way to spend the holidays for MAGA, I guess. Now, head MAGA himself said this: Happy Thanksgiving to all, including the racist, incompetent Attorney General of New York State, Letitia Peekaboo James, who let murder and violent crime flourish and businesses flee. The radical left Trump-hating judge, a psycho, Arthur Engoron, I'm going to pronounce that wrong, who criminally defrauded the state of New York and me by purposely valuing my assets at a tiny fraction of what they are really worth in order to convict me of fraud before even a trial or seeing any proof, used his politically biased and corrupt campaign finance violator chief, Clerk Alison Greenfield, to sit by his side on the bench to tell him what to do, and crooked Joe Biden, who has weaponized his Department of Injustice against his political opponent and allowed our country to go to hell, and all the other radical left lunatics, communists, fascists, Marxists, Democrats, and RINOS who are seriously looking to destroy our country. Have no fear, however, we will win the presidential election of 2024. Make America great again. So yeah, I don't know who's taking the holiday worse, to be honest. It's going to be interesting. I do fully expect that if you want to watch, that the corner is going to have a Thanksgiving style event down there. I honestly am not planning to watch myself, so if something interesting happens, maybe I'll cover it after the fact.